Do unused credit cards hurt your credit score? Hi, this is Ani from Intero. And inactive credit cards, those are accounts available to use, but that you're not regularly using to pay off items, can damage your credit score in a few ways. Now, first of all, credit utilization on the account will be 0%. And that sounds like a positive thing, right? Well, yes and no, because yes, it's good not to have revolving debt that takes years to pay off. But when a lender is considering your application for a new line of credit, the company really wants to see a long history of good behavior from you. And that means that you've used your credit and paid it off or paid down the balance on time. Now, if you're not using that credit card, then there's no history for a bank to review. Now, while a lower utilization ratio is preferable to a high one, not using any of your cards can cause your score to actually drop a bit. Now, you should use your cards at least once every 6 months. Now, the amount purchased doesn't really matter. It's not important to confuse inactivity with not really carrying a balance. Now, account closure is a second thing that may be an issue because a credit card company may close your account due to a long period of inactivity. Now, if this happens, your credit score can be negatively impacted. And here's how. Let's say you have like two credit cards. You use one for gas and grocery and purchases to get airline points, but you also use that card for like a large splurge last year that you just haven't paid off yet. Now you have a certain amount of revolving debt. Now the second card is something you keep only for emergencies, and it's kind of just been sitting in your safety deposit box unused for 2 years. The credit company closes that account due to inactivity, and this can lead to adverse credit ratios and a reduction in your credit age, as having an account closed can also shorten the average age of your credit history. Now, if you just have a few cards and one is closed due to inactivity, the types of credit metrics could be adversely impacted as well. So, connect with me today to kind of discuss some of the factors that may determine your credit score and strategies that we can use to improve your financial picture.